Hi folks, Future Peter here. Just before we get into the video, I just want to apologise for the audio and the wind issues in this video. I wanted to upload it and sort of get it done anyway, but I just didn't realise how sort of windy it was going to be, so excuse the wind. I did try and sort of fix it in a different editing app, but it didn't really work. So I hope you enjoy this video, and again, please excuse the wind noise in the background. Hi folks, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. I am in a very cold South Blackpool this afternoon with the mirror ball as well. I just thought I would get out for an hour or so just to do this. I woke up and I thought, you know what, I'm going to go into South Blackpool today because I've not been up there for quite some time. I'm going to have a look at the mirror ball and then we'll have a bit of a walk towards the tower. I've just passed on the tram and the whole of the town is literally like a ghost town still, so there's hardly anyone around except a few people walking the dogs and sort of walking the babies and stuff like that. But yeah, look at the floor as well. That looks so nice on the floor. But yeah, we're going to have a look around just around the south area of Blackpool, because I've not been up here for ages, and I do have a new sort of thing with me as well today. So bear with me 1 second folks, just got my bearings here. So I do have my this is a new hoodie. I've got my hat on as well, but it is quite cool actually. I've got the sun directly behind me. But if you're wondering what this is an extension pole which I can attach to my gimbal, and I can get really up high shots with it as well. When I'm filming and stuff. This is instead of me actually using a drone. Now, I did test this out last night. It does have a lock feature on it as well, so I can lock it in place. I did test it out on my gimbal last night and it fits on there perfectly well. So I'm going to walk ahead along the promenade soon. I'm going to get a couple of up high shots from the mirror ball as well with this attached to it, and then we're going to walk around the promenade. I do need to get a couple of shots as well for this intro. So I'm going to attach this to my gimbal now, get a couple of above shots. So we'll get walking, shall we? So we've got the Solar Centre over there. In year 8 of high school, I actually had a piece of my artwork inside the art sort of centre. I think it's still an art centre, I'm not too sure. But yeah, hope you're all doing well. It is a really nice day, so good, so you have to handy for doing really sort of high up shots, which might be good. So it's a little review camper. Yeah, I never noticed they've got the Hampton by Hilton Hotel finished. But if you folks can see, there's different coloured bricks. Now this side is the original building that they built first, and then this is the extension bit here that they actually added on to the building. But there's actually different coloured bricks to the actual building, which is a little bit. But yeah, it's like a ghost town in Blackpool still. Everyone's at work, everyone's at school, kids are back at school as well. They are retracking the big one, which is up there. They are actually retracking it. Whilst I'm up here. I actually got off at the South Pier, and they actually power walk all the way up here. So yeah, it's quite nice. Yeah, I hope you're all doing well. I've got some gloves in my bag. Sorry if you can't see me properly because the sun is directly behind me. So we will have a bit of a walk up. I'll cross over and we'll go and have a look at the other side of the promenade as well. Because the pleasure beach is actually closed for the season now, and as I said, they are actually retracking the big one. But I just want to say thank you so much for the support on my Cleveland vlog and my vlog as well. Other Blackpool video. There's still plenty more to come from me this year. I'm just looking forward to getting as many videos out as possible. I've just noticed this. Yeah, folks, I've just noticed this. Nice poster, that, isn't it? It says Blackpool Autumn Illuminations. We've got a tram coming up here as well. Yeah, it's quite a nice poster, that. But we've got there's actually a few more along there as well. So there's actually a few more. I'll show you folks in this video. I really want to get. I'm gonna go and get an up high shot of this sculpture here. I'm not sure what it's called. I think it's called Desire. This one. There is a plaque. We're going to go for it. Yeah, I think it's called Desire. Got something wrong. I am correct. It is called Desire. So you can see that. I can't see my phone screen properly at all, so I really hope this is coming through properly for you folks. So yeah. So at sunset, the shadow of a broken heart is cast on the ground. That's what it says. I can't see my screen at all properly, so there we go. Yeah, it says the shadow of a broken heart is cast on the ground at sunset, which is pretty good. So I'm going to get an up high shot of this, and then we will carry on. Okay folks, let's leave Desire behind and carry on. Yeah, we're going to have a look at the big one. We're going to have a look at the big one as well. They are, as I said, they are which should be starting pretty soon. Another one here, 1953, Blackpool Illuminations. did see these sort of advertised online as well. Yeah, I did see these in Lightworks. I think it is. I do need to nip to Tourist Information Centre, however, to get a destination guide for this year. Because I ordered one, and I ordered it like a month or so ago, and it's still not arrived in the post yet. So I do need to nip to the Tourist Information Centre just to wait for myself one, just so I know what sort of events and stuff like that will be in Blackpool this year, so I can go out and film and sort of method and stuff. I will be vlogging at Comic-Con this year as well. So pretty much looking forward to it. I think about going to Manchester Comic-Con as well. So yeah, that should be good. I've got a bit of news as well. I have I started talking to someone new yesterday. This person. She put on her Instagram story that she's feeling a bit lonely and she didn't really have any friends. And I decided to message her because I already followed her. I followed her through Instagram. So I sent her a message and we got talking. She's basically into sort of similar stuff that I am. She likes Pokemon. She's got a couple of Pokemon tattoos as well. She's getting another one soon. And she's basically a little bit lonely and feel like a bit of an outcast like me at the moment. Sort of not having many friends to talk to. So I got talking to her and yeah, she seems genuine. So fingers crossed it actually hits off for me and her as well, which should be pretty good. Yeah, fingers crossed. This one's actually genuine because I've not had much luck with girls in the past. To be quite honest with you folks, they've either messed me around or just been not real at all. But this one actually seems genuine, and as I said, she's quite lonely at the moment as well. She's a gamer, so she games. I'm a gamer too. I'm pretty big on gaming and stuff, especially like Minecraft and stuff like that as well. I love playing Minecraft. I've sort of gotten into Minecraft again at the moment. I'm sort of rebuilding my world because I lost my other one. But I've just started a brand new world on Minecraft, and it's shaping up to be so nice. Yeah, fingers crossed she's actually pretty decent. She seems pretty genuine and real and decent anyway. She did tell me to wrap up one before I came out today, along with a couple of other people as well. So yeah, let's go and take a look. There's a big one. I thought there was actually someone at the top of the big one. I don't think there is, because it did look like it when I was walking up. I'm getting used to the zoom in feature on the gimbal. It's just so good. I've no real rush to be home for anything either. We are on 3 gigs to sort of film with 3.84 gigs, so I've got on the opposite sort of when I look at the south pier as well, because that's all shut up. Central pier is all closed up as well. There's actually been a ride that's been lifted off Central pier. But yeah, you can just about see the big one. So I can cut the focus there. Okay folks, so here we are. Yeah, my hands are getting so cold now. So they are retracking it. There we go. And then we've also got the Big Dipper. big drop as well. Can you focus to the moon as well inside the big drop? But this is basically Blackpool for the next month or so. Sorry, yeah, for the next month or so. I just want it's basically all out season now. So I'm trying to think what else there is to update you. So I don't think there's much going on in my life right now. So it's that new girl. My zip's open. I'm like thinking. I might try and back. I'm not too sure. Or just say something just walk up to the tower because it's a bit of a trek from here. We'll work for the tower. Tower Headland is actually pretty much dead. There's nobody on the Tower Headland. Well, there's nothing on there anymore. All the Christmas prices have been taken over as well. Well, it's all been taken off. Yeah, there was actually workmen at the top of the doing this at the moment. They've actually taken a bit of the track. I'm not sure if you folks can see, but they've actually taken a bit of the track off there. So, one thing that I was wondering is if there's any sort of scaffolding going to be back around. Do you know when it was all covered in scaffolding that amount of time? Now, I was in the town centre the other night when I went shopping, and there was like noise, sort of workman drill type noise coming from inside the tower, inside the actual building. So I'm not sure if they're starting work on maintenance at the moment of it. I think they are still actually there's actually scaffolding. There's a scaffolding inside of the tower. So they could possibly be starting maintenance. So they've got some of the illuminations still up here as well. The ones on the promenade are still up as well. The illuminations on prom. I just love how smooth this gimbal and this sort of. Because I'm filming through the gimbal app, I'm not filming through my phone camera. This is through the app, and then the videos and stuff obviously save onto my phone as well. Some things I'll show you now. So doing sort of a wiggle on. Class assigned office class was doing work in there. So basically, everywhere at the moment in Blackpool, there's work going on to get it ready for next season. As a wizard of Blackpool folks, this is why I've been sort of hesitant on coming here. There's nothing really to do here at the moment. The tower's shut, so I can't go up the tower. A few of the arcades and stuff, but I'm not really an arcade type person. And obviously the shopping centre is still open as well. I actually need to before I have to go home. So I won a £5 gift voucher a few months ago for so I might go and get another Funko Pop from there. But I need to put the town centre first. So, or a dinosaur peering over from the believe it or not museum. And there's also the big one as well. Well, the guy's gone. The Land Rover. There's a car that used to go up and down, and the Land Rover actually did used to spin its wheel as well alongside. So carry on, just to make sure this. Blackpool Council doing the rounds, making making sure everything's alright. But yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry if you folks are having a bit of a hard time seeing me at the moment. It's because the sun's right behind me. Um, it's can't believe how dead it is. Like, um, in Fleetwood, it's been a bit busy around Fleetwood, because I live in Fleetwood. So it's been a bit busy there. Oh, there's the beach balls on the truck that are on headland for Christmas party. There they are, going back to Lightworks. Caught that just in time, didn't I? Gosh. Yeah. Around Fleetwood area, it's been busy. But Blackpool, it's just been so quiet. And don't get me wrong, I love peace and quiet. But I don't like things. I don't like things too quiet. I also I like it. I like there to be a few people around, just so it regulates it a bit. But I don't like it to be so quiet that there's not an atmosphere. You know what I mean? It's just something that I've had to get used to because I always knew like after Christmas and stuff, Blackpool's gonna be like dead because it happens every year. There's like I'm not actually sure when the new season starts here in Blackpool. I think it's around Easter. I think Easter time is when things start to pick up again. So yeah, here's the sun. I was just looking at that screen up there. It sort of tells you what's going on in Blackpool. Excuse me. Um, Yeah, I've never been much of a swimmer. I used to go in this place as a kid, as I said. Well, I didn't, you know. I did used to go in this place as a kid. I've not been here since I was, I don't know, 15, well, I'd say 12 years of age. I've not been in the Sandcastle before. So pretty, oh God, pretty lengthy amount of time. I'm still getting used to this joystick, by the way. My tips for my fingers might get a little bit red now. Actually, you can see, but they are starting to get a bit red. I do need to be careful though because the cold and stuff. The cold and stuff obviously affects me, but I've got a bit of a walk up to we've got a bit of a walk up to the town now. So there's the all prices and stuff. I think the Sandcastle as well. Just so folks are aware of like the prices and stuff. And then they got the map next to it as well. Yeah, I got the. I need to get myself into here at some point. As I said, I'm not much of a swimmer. If I started swimming and then I got big, or if I got myself into a pool, I'll probably drown. I just don't know how to swim. I genuinely don't know how to swim. I know how to do everything else in life, but I just don't know how to swim. So, yeah, this is pretty much full of sand. We've got the roller coaster next door as well. I've got the tram as well. But yeah, it's gone back to the ferry. Yeah, just thought I'd nip out and just do this bit of a short video. Not going on from South area for a while. What time are we on now? It's 8 minutes past 3. Schools will be out soon, or they'll just be finishing now. I don't think the council or something's going to shut for until 5-ish. So we've got like 2 hours to get the substance and something. Sort of getting down and just walk through and I might get myself something, I'm not too sure yet. But yeah, here's South Pier. This is all closed up for the season now as well. Oh, so shut up. But yeah, as I said, this is basically Blackpool now. For the next month or so. just whilst everything starts to get back to sort of semi-normal. I say semi-normal lightly. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this short one from South Blackpool. When I get up to the headland, I will pop my phone on again just to show you how dead it is there. But I can't believe I'm about to walk all the way up there. I can see Central Pier from here, so yeah, I'll end it from here actually. This is where I got off the tram. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a like for me. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. So it's a bit of a short one. Hopefully it's going to be a bit of a good one by the time I edit it and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm looking forward to Comic Con. To sort of going to Comic Con in Blackpool this year. That's in April, so in like 2-3 months time. So yeah, I'm gonna sort of get on now and get to the town centre, and then I'm gonna go for my bus. Go for the bus home. Just getting quite cold now doing this, but thankfully I enjoy what I do, so I'm not that bothered, to be honest. So I'm gonna go back this way. Thanks for watching, and I shall see you folks in the next video. To shoot out of me as well. But yeah, thanks for watching. It's a bit of a short one, folks. I appreciate it. Plenty more to come as well. I just need Blackpool to sort of liven up a bit now. See you all soon, folks. Folks, sorry about the shakiness of the camera work here, but you're not on my gimbal anymore. My gimbal's in the bag. It's all full charge and everything, but I just couldn't be bothered getting it out again. But yeah, this is the headland. Everything's gone now. Been taken down. All the windshields have been taken down. Needs a bit of a sweep, so a bit of a clean. So does the carpet, in fact. But yeah, everything's all gone now. This is why all the huts and stuff were for Christmas party this year, well last year. But yeah, there's the tower. I'm looking forward to going up there again this year. I really am. So I'm gonna get off home now because I'm really cold. I'm gonna walk through shopping centre as well, just to warm myself up a bit because I'm really cold. Spyro's over there as well, but it's all been shut off because of the fences and stuff. But yeah, from here in Blackpool on the Tower Headland. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you folks in the next video. I'm a bit out of breath now. I shouldn't have really done that work. See you all soon, folks. Time to go home.